This video is not financial advice. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research. Let me tell you something wild. There's a 17-year-old kid, no camera, no mic, no face, who built multiple YouTube channels behind the scenes and now makes over $1 million a year. How? He runs faceless YouTube automation channels. He used free AI tools to write scripts, create voiceovers, and edit videos using stock footage. Then he repeated the process across multiple channels in different niches. No one knows his name, no one sees his face, but his videos have racked up millions of views. YouTube pays him every single month. And the craziest part? You can do this too. This is the world of faceless YouTube, where creators are making serious money without ever showing their face or saying a single word out loud. Let me break down exactly how it works and how people are quietly building full-blown income streams from their bedrooms. Faceless YouTube is simple. You create videos using AI and automation tools. No filming, no talking, no being on camera. Here's the basic system. Use ChatGPT to write your script. Use 11 Labs or Voice AI to narrate it. Use Pexels or Storyblocks for stock video. Use Pictory or CapCut to edit design thumbnails in Canva. Then upload, optimize, and repeat. From start to finish, the entire video can be created without your face, your voice, or your name ever being attached to it. So how do people get paid? Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize with ads. But that's just the start. People also earn money from affiliate links, sponsorships, selling digital products, building multiple channels, and outsourcing the workflow. Some people run 2 to 5 faceless channels at once. Others build a team or use AI tools to scale without hiring anyone. Can anyone do this? Honestly, yes. You don't need to be famous. You don't need gear. You just need a smart strategy, a niche, and a willingness to stay consistent. Most people scroll past this opportunity because they think it as saturated or too good to be true. But the demand for content keeps growing, and faceless videos are still pulling in views every day. You just need to learn the system. So what do you think? Would you ever build a faceless YouTube channel? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video opened your eyes, smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more faceless income ideas, AI tools, and smart ways to build online wealth. See you in the next one.